my name's Kirrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Jacinta.
Hi.
And I've brought Jacinta to a few random restaurants here in Sydney, in Newtown. And today we're going to be doing the let someone else order for you, what's it called?
Letting someone else order your food, basically.
Order your food for you. And we're gonna eat it. Here we go.
Let's go.
You got my attention doing nothing but pretending that you wasn't even looking at me. But you know I don't want to mention that I feel
Here we go.
We
We just got home from driving around Newtown in Sydney and we went to 3 places and we ordered the staff's favourite meal, whoever we spoke to, we said, what's your favourite dish? And we ordered that. So the first one we went to was Newtown pies. What was this again? It was pie, broccoli
And potato.
she
She said it was a bit spicy.
I'm gonna like it already. Their brown bags are 100% recyclable. Tick. Alright,
Big potato. Okay.
here we go.
Here we go. Being Australian, we should love it.
Yeah.
I can taste a bit of spice.
Yeah, that's spicy. That's pretty good. Like, doesn't beat a meat pie, but how much was this?
$6?
$6 for this? Bro,
You have to meat pies normally.
like 4? A good Aussie, like, meat pie is like $4, right? Maybe a fancy one with mushroom and bacon and cheese is 5.
But it's
$5.50.
vegan.
Oh, so next we went to this place, Golden Lotus, which is a vegan Thai place. I chose vegan today because I'm a vegan.
It's because we were in Newtown and everywhere was vegan.
And the cute little man that served us said that his favourite thing was the eggplant in clay pot.
Eggplant
Stir
and clay,
fry.
that's what it's called. We said if you were ordering something, what would you be ordering? And he said this, so we said let's get it.
Sure, and he was like, you want rice? And I was like, of course. Of course I want rice. Silly question. Is this one? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
What type of thing?
Spicy.
I want to get up some rice.
I was just gonna go wap, wap.
Oh, true. Okay, wap.
Eggplant.
Oh, you can see that's on there. That
tofu.
freaks me out.
Oh, you love cracked pepper?
I hate the cracked pepper. It's like a soap tasting devil food.
This smells pretty good.
It smells really good. Sorry, I keep on,
What are you doing?
keep on thinking that I'm picking up.
Just put it in.
Okay.
Ah.
Mmm,
Oh my gosh. That's the one.
mate.
No. That's so good.
That is so good.
Eggplant stir fry with tofu, onion, lots of cracked pepper. That's really
What's
delicious.
that sauce though? Like it's so
It's
good.
like an oyster sauce. So yum.
Like genuinely, that is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Golden Lotus in Newtown.
Golden Lotus.
Damn.
Huge fan.
My friend.
Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Yum! Wow, see, I could be vegan with that type of food.
We went to Lentil as Anything, which is a volunteer-run kitchen.
I loved it.
And you walk in, it was a cool vibe, and there was like random furniture everywhere, and each meal you only pay as much as you think the meal deserves to pay for them. Oh my gosh, did I press play? Oh yeah.
That would have been so awkward!
Lentils Anything is designed for people that can't afford to spend much money on their meals. You can also have the option to pay it forward, so you can leave a bit of money behind for you next time you want to go, or for someone else that may not be able to afford their meal there. If you want to do takeaway, which is what we did, you just have to pay a base rate of $10, but you have to go up. They don't even store plastic containers, which is also good on them.
When you go up to the FPOS machine and you put in your own amount, like that was just bizarre to me.
Yeah, we put in our own amount, so I could have put in $1.
But the crazy thing is, like, it makes you want to put in even more. I feel like I would want to pay more money there anyway, because they're so lovely and they're being so nice.
Everyone was so kind. And then as I went to leave, he was like, okay, bye. And I was like,
We hadn't even paid anything yet.
do you want me to pay?
Like,
So they were so kind.
it was like odd for him. Then we were like, oh, we're just gonna go pay now, and he was like, oh,
okay.
Like, that was just mind blowing to
Oh, that
us.
smells good.
If you're struggling, go to Lentil as Anything.
Yeah. And this smells good. It's a good hearty size. Like
It's a lot of food.
I can eat it all, but it's still a lot of food.
Very like lots of veggies, you know?
Yeah, this is a nice, hearty, healthy, warm, delicious bowl of pasta. If you know someone that's struggling, or if you just want to go and get a cool experience, please go to Lentil as Anything. Lentil as Anything.
In Newtown. It was really nice. It was really good.
Also from Lentil as Anything.
Oh, it's dessert time. Jacinta loves dessert time.
As we were leaving, he was like, do you want any dessert? And I was like, of course we want some dessert. But I don't know what it is. It's warm.
It's a chocolate and banana rice pudding. Look, I'm gonna go off aesthetics. It doesn't look amazing, but normally those things taste good.
So, that is
Banana.
gooey.
That is chocolate and that is rice. Rice
good.
pudding up, again, I'm not gonna lie, I've actually probably never had it.
I love rice pudding.
It does a job. Like, I'm probably not gonna sit here and say it's the best tasting food in the world, but
I don't hate that.
no, I don't hate it.
I watched a food tasting video, bit of research, and the best way to taste food,
Is that cake video?
I don't know, but it's some man in a white
Yes, it's
coat.
a cake and he's like,
And like,
Pure vanilla. Sweeteners. That's a 10.
that was pretty good.
yeah, I mean, I
like,
could keep going on the dessert because I love dessert so much.
I would definitely go back to Lentils Anything. The experience was worth it. Everyone was really kind. There was some weird foods coming out of the kitchen, so I want to try all of that.
We've done our taste test. Now we thought it'd be fun to do a few would you rather, and I'm apparently allowed to read them.
No. So these are some of the best would you rathers that I found or was sent to me, or etc. etc. Would you rather eat chocolate that tastes like poo, or poo that tastes like chocolate?
Perfect. My initial brain was like poo that tastes like chocolate, but like it's poo.
It came fresh out of an asshole.
Like it's probably
So I'm probably gonna have to eat the
taste
chocolate.
like chocolate, but it might also make you sick and die.
I'm gonna have to go.
Chocolate that tastes like poo and just
Yeah,
deal with it.
I'm not putting crap in my mouth. Would you rather look 10 years older from the neck up or neck down? So would you rather
Look, 10 years
being
old.
tight or being tight? You know? From
These
this
are
point
good
onwards.
ones.
You know
These are
what?
good ones.
There are some good, I'm 25, so there are some good looking 35-year-old women with good looking 35-year-old women bodies that I wouldn't.
Yeah,
I'd love to
I
look
was
like.
gonna go with bodies too.
Yeah, I reckon I'll do bodies too. Although that's only if they like work out crazy. Like whatever my
Well-
35-year-old body is going to look like.
That is not
If I am enjoying this,
Yeah, no, we won't be looking like we
good
look.
luck. Anyway,
Moving on. What? Nervous.
would you rather know how you die or know when you die?
When? Because at least I can do whatever I want because I'm not gonna die from that. You know what I mean? Like I can do whatever I'm gonna do. I know what the date is and it's gonna happen on that day and I'm just gonna make the most of it anytime. Whereas if I know that like I'm gonna die in a car accident,
I'll never get in a car again.
yeah, like my life is different.
Yeah, true. I'd
Okay.
rather know the date that I'm going to die rather than how I'm going to die. Although when coming up to that day, I'm going to be depresso espresso.
Yeah, me too.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I'm looking.
Don't look. Would you rather speak all the languages or be able to speak to animals?
Oh, all the languages, I have to say. And I can travel anywhere and just, all the languages. Like, I would love to speak to my cat, but like, also, I don't think she really cares about me.
You can still ask animals what you ask people.
I don't know. I'd rather be able to speak to people. All the languages in the world.
I hate speaking to some people, so...
Yeah.
Last one. Would you rather be without knees or without elbows?
How do you be without Don't do it. Don't, you actual idiot, don't.
Oh!
Without knees, without elbows. Well, I guess that explains that. I feel like we use our arms more. We do
Okay.
use our legs a lot.
You want to sit like this? What if this is
Do
how
I
you?
wobble?
This is how you're gonna sit? What if you? How are you trying to get out of your chair? With your straight leg. This is how it's.
Oh no. Yeah, but still, come on.
And what about when you're trying to?
Bend.
Like if I'm
You
stuck
just
like
can't.
this, there's the leg is between my. So to get into sit into every seat, it's gonna be like that.
No.
I'd probably have no knees because I need to be able to do
Yeah,
this.
we need to.
Yeah, that's all we've got. We went to Lentils Anything, Golden Lotus, and Newtown Pies in Newtown, Sydney. And my name's Kirrah. This is Jacinta. See you next time.
Bye.